can you solve this geometry challenge? Here's the question. The lengths of the two radii of these two circles are 17 centimeters and 8 centimeters. Now let's call these two circles as circle N and circle M. Next, let's call the point of tangency of circle N and circle M on the ground as point A and point B. Now, given the distance of the centers of these two circles, which is 41 centimeters, then our goal is to solve for the length of segment AB. Now, you can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. And now, let's answer this question together. Alright, so to answer this question, what we're going to do is to draw their radius. So, in what way? So, of course, let's draw a perpendicular line directly to the point of tangency, which is point A and point B, like this. And we know that the length of the radius of this big circle must be equal to 17 centimeters. Also, the radius of this small circle must be equal to 8 centimeters. Next, what we're going to do is from this point N, we will draw a perpendicular line directly to the radius of the big circle like this. And now take note that we have here a rectangle. Therefore, if this side length is 8, its opposite side must be also equal to 8. Now, since we know that the length of the radius of this big circle is 17 centimeters, and we know that this part is 8, therefore the other segment must be equal to 9 centimeters. And now, let's call this segment as X. And also, this is the length of segment AB. Now, let's focus on this right triangle with the side length of X. We have 41 centimeters and 9 centimeters. Now, since it is a right triangle, we can now use the Pythagorean theorem. Now, if we do that, we get something like x squared plus 9 squared equals 41 squared. Now, we can now solve for the value of x, or the length of segment AB. Now, 9 squared, we know all this. This is 81. And 41 raised to the power of 2, this will give us 1,681. Now, to solve for the value of x, let's subtract 81 on both sides. Now, if we do that, we get 1,681 minus 81. This will give us 1,600. Now, to solve for the value of x, let's get the square root on both sides. And we know we have two possible values here. We have positive and negative. But this x right here is a side length. So, we can now disregard the negative value of x. So let's have the positive value of x. Now, the left-hand side of our equation, this is just x. And square root of 1,600 is just 40. So the value of x, or the length of this x, must be equal to 40 centimeters. Also, this is the side length of segment AB. Therefore, we can say, given this illustration, we can say that the length of segment AB must be equal to 40 centimeters. And as always, we are done.